My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the Lexus RX. This is a hybrid electric vehicle with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have automatic headlights, and to the right we have voice control, cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access navigation, information and setup, climate control and audio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.